So
I think I'm gonna ask if you can fix something. When I hang up my clean clothes, these are dirty. So you think you can fix it?
there, fixed. I'm done.
Oh. Oh, that's really kind of nice.
Yeah, it's kind of sleek. It looked like it was decent. The reviews weren't bad. It's like 20 bucks. I threw 20 bucks at it.
And there's 2 of them?
Yeah. The screws that come with it are and that hole is already there for this. I don't know if the head of this screw will fit without interfering. I'm gonna experiment. Man, the head of that screw is a hair bit too big.
But that's not the head of the screw that came with it.
Yeah.
Why don't you just put the one that came with it on there?
Well, it's got a very small thing, so if I put that screw in this hole, it's just gonna pull right out.
Oh.
I can drill a new hole. Because I want it to be as little bit of play as possible. Like, I really wish the head of the screw was bigger. That's my one complaint so far. It's about level. I'm going to go ahead and poke a hole in the sheetrock. Because now this one I can finish tightening up.
Through the hole.
Through the hole. There we go. Nice and tight. Since it doesn't have the option to put a screw through here, I can't line it up and then get the hole perfect. So I am going to use the screw that's there, put my level across that screw and try to put the screw at the same height.
Ah.
Just some iffiness in the manufacturing process. I think I'm going to come in here and just put a screw into the wall up top, just so you can't bump it up.
Yeah.
Because it's just sitting on those screws. You bump it up, it's going to flop right off, just like I can pick it up. My job here is done. Overall, I would say we have a success. I believe the wife is happy. We will get her opinion here in a minute. My perspective, what did I like, what did I not like? So I'm not really a fan that the plastic piece here kind of isn't tight and, you know, has a little bit of looseness. Now, it hits the head of the screw, so it will only go so far. The one unit seemed to be a little bit tight at the top, and it wasn't exactly perfectly formed when we looked at it, so that one kind of doesn't naturally close all the way. You kind of have to push it in, and even then it doesn't close, so that's a little bit frustrating, but I would have preferred to have an actual hole that I might have been able to kind of screw through. I was able to work around that by simply putting a screw on the top side to prevent you from being able to push it up.
Would you buy them again?
Yes, I may buy another set. And we'll throw in some links for the different versions. We'll throw in the links to the ones that we got and some slightly different versions of it that also have that. So
that bar.
Yeah. And it'll have the specs in there as well, so it can hold. But it does feel sturdy. Like,
yeah, it held.
One thing to be wary of, because this is sticking so far out, if you hit it hard enough, you can break those screws off. Just make sure you are careful with tall objects around this.